be your party host today. Aplausos, good afternoon to each and every one. Welcome to first birthday of Russell and third birthday of Cerise. Let's give a big round of applause for them. Alright, come on, Cerise, and also where's Russell? And okay, maybe calling also Russell, please join us here in front, even together with Mommy and Daddy also. Now, please come forward here in front. Again, at a count of 5, all the kids now inside your party, please join us here in front. Come on, 1. Everybody, tayo na, tayo. Punta kayo lahat dito. Come on. Ayan. Okay, now Daddy, come on, join us also. Alright, and also Russell. Alright, you move back here. Alright, move back. Come on, guys. Come on. Alright, come on, Kuya. Come on. Also, guys, move forward. Alright. Okay, I think Russell's sleeping just part of that. Hello. Okay, now this time, kids, and to all the girls now, before we start our follow games, let's sing a happy birthday first to them, okay? So the count of 3, all the kids now together with mommies and daddies, titos or titas, everybody sing a happy birthday for Russell and Cerise. To sing! Hello? Handa na ba kayo kumanta? I cannot hear you. Come on, yung mas malakas, okay? Handa na ba kayo kumanta? Very good, that's nice. Okay, how about the mommies, daddies, titas, and titas? I cannot hear you. Do you hear me? Never mind. Alright, together with the music. Play the music, Christmas. Alright, I want everybody sing it louder.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, everybody clap your hands for Russell. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, ayan. Let's give a big round of applause now for them. Alright, together with also mommy and daddy. Okay, now happy first birthday, you Russell. Kids, everybody, hands up. Dalawang kamay. Touch yung dalawang kamay niya. Alright? Alright, move it there, darling. Okay. Come on, everybody, hands up. Both hands. Come on, Cerise, do it. Come on. Ayan, okay. Tapos, everybody, hands down. Hands down. Arms forward. Hands forward. Hands up. Down. Hands up. Up. Okay, everybody, touch your head. With your head. Touch your head. Your shoulder. Your knees. And your toes. Very good. Okay, now everybody hands up again. Hands up. Okay. Handa na ba kayo? Okay, everybody listen to me and follow me and also everybody sing. Okay? Here we go. Ready, get, set, sing. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees. Why are you laughing? Why? Bakit ito tumatawa, Jello? Mabilis ba masyado? Ayan, okay. Ayan, ako, lumipad na naman yung ating pillars. Okay, ano gusto mo, Francis? Yung mabagal?
Opo.
Okay, now. Let. Wala pa. Okay. my toes, my toes, my toes, my toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head. Ayan, very good, Francis. Okay, this time, kids, natin handa na kayo lahat. Here we go now. Para sa unang game ni Barney, ito yung tinatawag kong scratch your tummy game. So, hawakan nyo yung mga tummy nyo. Asan yung mga tummy nyo? Mga chan nyo, chan. Ayan, okay, and of course, I have here a ball. Ano klaseng ball ito, Francis? Saan sports ginagamit to? Saan sports ginagamit to, Jello? Saan? Ate Let?
Baseball.
Baseball. And this is not a baseball. Again, ito, ate, kuya, Jim. Tennis ball. Very good, kuya, Jim. Now, here we go. You hold this one, Sharice. Come on. Yup, I know. Okay, you hold this one, baby. Hawakan mo. Ayan, I'm sorry. Ayan, hawakan mo, baby, ha? Alright, I have here 2 tennis ball. Now, kids, all you have to do, pagtugtog ng music, Sharice, scratch your tummy using the tennis ball. Very good. And then, papasa mo kay ate. Alright, bibigay mo sa kanya, ha? Okay, and then you, Jim, papasa mo kay Jello. When the music stop, kung sino yung may hawak ng 2 tennis ball, siya yung ma-out. Okay? Kailangan mabilis, ha? Huwag nyo kakalimutan scratch yung tummy nyo bago nyo ipasa. Okay? Pag stop ng music, kung sino yung may hawak ng 2 tennis ball, siya yung ma-out. Now, handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? Yes, now ready, get set, music please. Come on, Sharice, pasa mo kay ate, come on, girl, come on. Come on, Sergio, pass, come on, girl, come on, Vivian. Ayan, come on, Sharice, come on. Come on. Yeah, well, alright, don't worry, Jello. Sharice, Tommy, your head, very good pass, not too bad, to ate. Give it to ate. Balik mo ate. Ayan, thank you. Come on, girl. Come on. Kathleen, come on, girl. Let. Search for Tommy, your head. Come on, make it pass. Come on, Jim. Come on, girl. Pass to Francis. Tommy, your head. You're out. Francis. Okay, thank you very much, Francis. You're out. Okay, you may sit down for a while. Palapakan niya naman si Francis. Ayan, alright. Now, next round. BBN, all you have to do, scratch your tummy, your head, and your shoulder. Okay, tummy, head, and your shoulder. Vivian, ready, get set, music please. Your shoulder. Alright, and then tummy. Your head. What happened? Change music lang pala. Change music lang po yun. Okay, ha? Okay, go! Sharice, tummy. Your head. Your shoulder. And then pass it na to ate. Pass mo kay ate. Come on, girl. Make it pass tummy. Your head. That's your head. That's your shoulder. Get near, mali. Tommy, your head, your shoulder, very good. Let. Come on, Jim. Tommy, your head. No, never. Alright, pasa mo kay ate. I'm sorry. You're out. Vivian, thank you very much, darling. Ayan, okay, now next round. Okay, next round, guys, all you have to do is scratch your knee. Ayan, pupunta lang dito, Sharice. Ayan, okay. Go to the land. Ayan. To the sea. Where's the sea? Alright. Ayan ha. This time ha, yung magkakamali ha. Huwag niyo susundan si Bart. Ayan. To the land. To the sea. To the land. To the land. Alright, dito lang sa land. Okay? Ayan ha, mag-out na ako. This time mag-out na ako. Kuya Francis. Sa land. Kuya Francis, you're still the game. Kasali ka pa. Ayan. Okay. Sharice. Okay, mag-out na ngayon si Barney, ah. Okay? Now, here we go. Go to the sea. Ayan. To the land. To the sea. To the land. To the sea. To the land. Ayan, okay ha. This time make it fast ha. Alright now everyone, all the kids, wala pa Sharice, wala pa. Ayan. To the land. Galing ni Kuya Jim ha. Okay now, go to the sea. Ayan, sige. To the left. To the Z. Layo natin konti. Ayan. Okay? Go to the left. Ayan, para medyo mabilis yung takbo niya. Okay? Go to the Z. To the left. To the Z. To the left. To the left. To the left. Asan ba kayo, guys? Dito. Okay, lahat walang nanalo. Dito ulit lahat. Okay, lapit natin konti. Ayan. Okay, one straight line. Here we go now. Handa na ba kayo? Alright, here we go. Go to the left. To the Z. To the left. To the left. Alright, this time last round, guys. Ang makbang. Nagkamaling ang makbang. Out na yun, Okay, here we go. You guys are left. Okay? Go to the Z. To the slant. To the Z. To the land. To the land. You're on the spot, Jean. Alright, clap your hands now for them. Palapakan naman natin sila. Alright, Jean, we're still in.
Happy birthday, Cherise and Russell.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Happy birthday, Cherise and Russell. Happy birthday, Cherise and Russell.
Ready? Okay, now, guys, while you go around the cardboards, all you have to do, to fly like a bird. Lipat kayo na parang ibon. Paano ba lipat ang ibon? Fly like a bird. Come on, go around, come on, Francis, follow her. Come on. Ayan. Susundan mo na si Ate Lelde, susundan mo na siya